Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Epson EcoTank L3211, and now I'm gonna show you that this printer had the internet connection. So unfortunately this printer doesn't. Firstly, if your printer EcoTank has the internet connection and it has no LCD screen, it has only buttons, so it will need to have the internet button. Any Epson printer with the internet connection has the internet button. Or if this printer had the LCD screen, it can have now the internet connection button, it can have it in settings. But here we have no screen, we have no display, so and we have no internet buttons here on our menu. So the one way to connect this printer to smart services is to connect this printer to the computer with USB cable, and in this way your printer will be connected to the internet and to your network. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.